Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on Intersecting Lines worksheet. So this video presents a worksheet where we can practice finding where two lines intersect on the number plane. Now we've had a lesson on this very topic, so if you're not sure how to proceed, on the next slide there is a link. If you click on the link, it will take you to the lesson and it will explain how to do all the examples. Let's see what's required. For each of the following pairs of lines, we have to do these things. Create a table of x and y values. Number 2, plot the points from each table on a number plane. And number 3, find the intersection of the two lines. So here are the examples. So the first pair of lines is x plus y equals 5 and x minus y equals 3. So if you remember from the lesson, if you saw it, you draw up a table and then you have some x and y values. You can pick whatever x values you want on the table. That's quite flexible how you do that. But once you choose the x values, then they will determine what the y values will be for each equation. So you have to do two separate tables. Once the points have been determined, or the numbers in each table have been determined, you can have then the ordered pairs. You extract the ordered pairs from the table. You plot those ordered pairs on the number plane, and you should be able to clearly see where the two lines intersect. And you have to do that for that pair of lines, and that pair here. Now, when you find the point of intersection for each of those pairs of lines, that actually means something very special. The point of intersection that you find, and you do that graphically just by looking at the graph, the x and y value will work for both that equation and for this one. That's what it actually means in algebraic terms, that the point of intersection represents an x value and a y value, and that point works for both equations. And it's exactly the same for each pair. Whatever x and y value you find works for each pair of equations. So you can check that out after you actually find the answer. So this video has given us a worksheet where we can practice finding the intersection of two lines on a number plane in graphical format. And don't forget the link on the next slide if you're not sure how to proceed, because that will take you to the lesson and it will explain how to do everything.